Hi, I'm Miss Jennifer, preschool specialist with the Bloomington Parks and Recreation Department's Banneker Community Center. Tuesdays are craft days, so let's make a truck for our construction site to go along with the rhymes and songs about construction machines from yesterday's video. You'll need construction paper, a pencil, scissors, glue, and some pictures cut from magazines. Thanks for joining me today. Check back tomorrow for baby time rhymes and songs for babies and toddlers.